Alright, we got a 2016 Volkswagen Jetta. We're going to be taking out the headlamp. So in order to take out the headlamp, we need to first take out this part of the grille. Once we take this out, we're going to be taking this part out. So let's go ahead and start doing that. Alright, now that we took the bolts out, let's go ahead and just pry this open a bit. I know it's going to be a little hard to see, but it's going to be, in order to take the lights out, we need to take out the lower bumper, so we need to take these bolts out as well. So let's take these out. It's going to be another bolt right about there. And it's going to be the same bolt all the way back there as well. So we're going to go get it right now. Alright, next step now is to take out these bolts to the fender and to get one hidden bolt that's under here. Once we get those bolts out, we should be able to take out the lower bumper. Alright, now that we have finally taken and broken it free, now we can move to the other side. Alright, we have broken the other side free as well. So now we're ready to take it out. Alright, we have taken out the grill. Let's move it to the side now. Next up now, we're bringing the camera. Next up is now to remove the lower bumper. In order to get the lower bumper out, I'm going to take this one out now. So it's going to be this, and this one over here. Alright, let's go ahead and start taking this out. Alright, let's go on ahead and start removing the bolts we need to take out. And this other one. Alright. Bumper has it now. I'm going to move this over here. Now we can focus on taking out this headlight. Alright, there's going to be bolts on there, on the top. So let's start by taking those off. It's going to be a T30 as well.
So he wants to like, I guess it's small house and he wants to like have it all back to the... So we have it
I was going to take this header bolt out. Now that that's out, we should now have the ability to fully be able to move this one out. Now what we're going to do now, we're going to take a look at what connectors there are that we take out. So let's go ahead and move the camera. Alright, let's go ahead and start removing the connectors here. There's a clip right there. We're going to take that one out. And now that we took that out, now we're ready to take out the other bolts we need to take out. So let's go and let me grab this camera again. Right, we're going to be taking out these last two bolts here. It's going to be 225 as well. That's one. And there should be another one right here. Take that one out as well. Alright, now that those are out, we should be able to take out the headlamp now. Alright now we're going to go ahead and start assembling it. Let's go ahead and assemble everything back together. Alright, now let's go ahead and put everything else back in.